In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type superscript in Google Docs if you need to write something like a mathematical expression, an exponent, a footnote marker, or any text that needs to appear slightly above the normal line. Google Docs makes that very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. To begin, open your Google Doc and type the text you want to work with. For example, you might type x2 if you want the number 2 to become a superscript. At this stage, everything will appear in regular text on the same line, and that's completely normal. The goal is to first enter the full text, then format the specific character that needs to be raised. Once your text is on the page, highlight the character you want to turn into superscript. In this example, that would be the number 2. Be careful to select only the part you want changed, because Google Docs will apply the formatting only to the highlighted text. This is especially useful when you want just one letter, number, or symbol to appear in superscript without affecting the rest of the word or equation. After selecting the character, go to the top menu and click Format. From there, move to Text and then choose Superscript. This tells Google Docs to change the position and size of the selected character so it sits slightly above the main line of text. It's a quick formatting option, but it makes a big difference when you're creating polished academic, scientific, or technical documents. As soon as you click superscript, the selected text will update automatically. So if you started with x2, it will now appear as x squared, with the 2 raised above the line in superscript format. That's all it takes. A helpful tip is to zoom in a little if you're working with small characters, especially in equations or citations, so you can clearly see the formatting change. Also, if the result doesn't look right, double check that you highlighted only the exact character you intended to format before applying superscript. And that's how to type superscript in Google Docs. It's a simple feature, but once you know where to find it, it can save time and help your documents look much more professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.